Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will discuss about the lesson The Thief's Story, second part from your book Footprints Without Feet. In this lesson we have learnt about that Hari Singh is a thief, he is a cheat, he changes his names each month and then he finds a new master. Now he is working with Anil, who is very simple person and who has no proper source of income. Now, in this part, Anil was sleeping while Hari Singh stole his money. Anil was sleeping when a beam of moonlight fell in the balcony and on the bed, where they both were sleeping. Now, Hari Singh was awoke and then he thought about that he could took the money and he would catch the train 10:30 express to Lucknow. If he can steal the money, then he thought that he should steal the money. He tried to steal the money. He put his hand under he crawled to the Anil's bed and put his hand under the mattress and tried to find the money. He found the bag with notes, and he took it away and crawled quickly out of the room. Then he went to the railway station. He tells that at railway station he directly went to the platform because in his life he never bought any ticket. The train was moving slowly. It didn't yet caught the full speed. He could go and step onto the train, but he says that he hesitated and he stopped. The train went away. When the train gone, he was left alone on the platform. He was thinking that it is very difficult to go back and to hide the money at the same place because it was raining that day and the notes were wet also. So he was in thoughts and he started walking through the bazaar. He don't know anybody here in the city. He only know the one person whom he had already robbed. So he was going back to Anil. He put the money back under the mattress and then slept. Anil was still in the morning when Hari Singh got up. Before him, Anil made the tea for him and smiled and gave him a 50 rupees note which was between his fingers, and he said that today I got some money and this is for you. And he was smiling. Same his persuading smile. Hari Singh got that note. It was still wet due to the last night's rain. Hari Singh knew that Anil also knows about him, that he had stolen the money, but he showed not any expression on his face or lips or eyes, whatever. There was no expression about that. So that's why he then said, today we will learn. Anil said that today we will learn about how to make the sentences. That was the basic reason why Hari Singh hesitated to go from him, because Hari Singh tells that in his career as a thief he had read many people's faces and he had noticed down some things, that when a rich person gets robbed, he gets angry. When a greedy person gets robbed, he feels fear. And when a poor man gets robbed, then he simply accepts. The story of Anil and Hari Singh, how Hari Singh tried to steal the money and how he came back to him, and why he didn't rob, and why he came back to Anil. The actual reason was that he thought that that person is doing trust on me, and if I will break his trust, he will feel sad, not because of the loss of money, just because he had lost the trust of someone. That's why he comes back. This is all about the lesson, the thief's story. Dear students, read this lesson again, understand it, do the question answers. Till then, thanks.